Hi, this is Julian from A3C, and today I will show you how to purchase Cardano NFTs. Purchasing a Cardano NFT is both very easy and quick to do, but in many cases, there are different factors that will affect your success rate at getting the NFT you would like. Many NFT collections are in high demand and sell out very quickly, but you will always have the opportunity to purchase an NFT off a secondary market. After finding an NFT you would like to purchase, you can navigate to the website and find where you can purchase from. For this video, I will be using the project Shapes ADA to demonstrate how this is done. Although all websites and collections function differently, for Shapes ADA, I can scroll down and select Buy under one random shape, which will generate a receive address and the exact amount of ADA I have to send. Switching over to your wallet, you will copy and paste the address number and the exact amount of ADA specified. Always copy and paste to make sure there are no errors with your information, as that could result in lost funds. When your ADA is sent, you will receive your NFT back into your wallet after a short period of time. You can view this on the website pool.pm by entering in your receive address. To show an example of how to view your NFTs, you can navigate over to pool.pm, select a search, and enter your wallet address. When purchasing an NFT, never send ADA from an exchange such as Binance, Crypto.com, or Coinbase. ADA must be sent from a supported Cardano wallet such as Yoroi, Daedalus, Nami, and more. If you have any questions about purchasing or sending Cardano NFTs, please feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching. All relevant links can be found in the video description. Please see our channel and official A3C website for other helpful tips and videos.